Well, hello, my friends. Welcome to Dim Tech. I got a special treat for you today. Let me just share a little bit with you. I've been fooling with drones for about 11 years or so. And I got out of the game for a little while, doing other things in life, pull your way a little bit. Got a little bored with it, actually. But now I started to come back because I want to do some outdoor footage and different angles with cameras. So I decided to step back in. And I really didn't want to go per se all in with a $2,000, $1,500 drone. Personally, me, if I'm not going to be using that drone all the time for that kind of money, something that's good in quality is just as good will work for me. And I specialize in finding things right under the top tier to work fine for me and perform the way I would like it perform. So I did a lot of research and I came up with the Holystone H2 720G. Has 2 axles, gimbal on the camera, which was important to me because I'm used to drones and I've had drones with GoPros and cameras that I just attached to my drones, and it's not as smooth as a drone with axles. So I decided to grab me one that has 2 axles, pretty reasonable price. And I found this one at a great price. Okay, under $300, performs well, 4K video, 30 frames per second. So I got some things to show you about this particular drone. Stay tuned and check it out. They say that this Holystone 720G is a starter drone. I've seen a lot of videos and they call it a starter drone. Okay, it could be a starter drone. It's pretty nice, but it's a little more than that. It's a little more than just a starter drone. I'm gonna use it mainly. I'm not gonna spend $1,500 on a drone. I'm not going to say no names, but I'm not going to spend $1,500, $1,300, even $1,000 on a drone that I'm not going to be using, say 75 to 80% of the time, full time. I just need it for certain shots that I can't get with my camera. And I love drones. I used to build them. 11 years ago, I started out building my drones, throwing all kinds of servers on them, cameras. Cool hobby. Then it got serious, and then people started doing a lot of stupid things with it. So I stepped away from it. Life took me to do other things, and now I'm back. And I decided to jump in, but I just sort of wanted something ready that I could fold up, compact, that I could put in a nice case. And Holystone gave me everything that I asked for. I gave it a try before I just jumped on here to give it props. And I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the response. I'm happy with the video. It's just a cool drone. Comes in a nice case. Nice felt feel to it. Nice handle. Real compact. This is the type of stuff that I was looking for. I wanted when I travel. Just want to throw something in there, and it gives me good video. Okay. Let's see. Let me open it up for you guys. Give you a quick look on how it is. It's cased up. Comes pretty compact. Compact in there. Everything fits nice. Came with 1 battery. But they do have some that come with more than 1 battery. But this cost me under 200 bucks. I got it on a great sale, actually closer to 200 bucks. And it performs. See here. Nice small drone. Fits right in my hand. Has a cover on it here. Push in. Push this down. I always have trouble with this here. You basically grab it from here, push it in, and then pull it up. And then you can just slide that right on off of there. That's like that. So right here, there's a button. See here, get my finger on it there. You press it, hold it in, and then it starts up. And as you can see the axle. See if I can get that for you. How it stays put is the way it's supposed to work. You'll have a problem turning this way, left and right. But like I said, you'll be able to manipulate your drone, and you'll get some smooth footage. Here's the controller, very compact. These buttons with different functions on it. You have a wheel back here to control your camera up and down. You have a place here for your cell phone. Pull it way out. I had a problem before. I didn't pull it way out. It will hold a pretty large phone. And I have some big hands, and it fits good in my hands. You know, it fits good in my hands. So let me show you some footage that I took of it. Just went out. I saw the sunset, and I love to take sunset pictures down here in Florida. So I decided to go ahead and throw it up there and see just how good it does with the sunset. So I'll show some footage of that. I'll also show some other footage of some other YouTubers who I looked at their videos to see and decided that I would like to try this camera. And I am so glad I did try this drone. I'm happy, and I'm happy with the camera on the drone. And it's pretty good.